of our day is Mamta, and evaluating her would be Morgan. Morgan, could you tell us about the objectives of the project that Mamta would be doing?
Mamta, bear with me if I pronounce the name right. And Mamta, she worked on the competent communication manual, project number 1, the icebreaker, and her objective is to begin speaking before an audience, and also discover the speaking skills she already has and the skills that need some attention. Her request time is 5 to 7 minutes.
Thank you, Morgan. Mamta is our newest member to our group, and this would be her first speech. She is new to US. She just moved to US because she got married to me. So she had no other option. But up to now, Mamta has been busy learning cooking and making me fat. So I guess I will try to join the boot camp style workouts. Mamta will be speaking today on her life and her journey from India to US. Please help me welcome Mamta, my journey.
Hello friends, my story starts in a metropolitan city in India called Mumbai. For me, Mumbai is the most happening place on earth. Mumbai, a very busy and bustling city and alive 24/7. A city which never sleeps. A place where I born and brought up. A city where you can get the delicious fast food on street to the international level of dishes in the 5-star hotel. A city where you can get the fashionable clothes and accessories on fashion street to the international level brands, top international brands in the malls as well. A coastal city where Bollywood is located, and the heartbeat of the city is its local trade. In this beautiful city, I have my own beautiful house, which is very carefully maintained by my mom. I come from a big family. My father, he's very strict, disciplined, and fitness-loving person. My mummy, she's a very expert cook, and for me, she's the most beautiful woman on earth. My elder brother, who thinks himself as a fashion model, but no, he is not. He is an engineer. I have 2 elder sisters. Both are married. And I have 2 super intelligent nephews who always want to play motion sensor game on my smartphone. Apart from this, I have number of many maternal and paternal aunties, uncle, cousins, and my grandparents. Most of them are located in Mumbai. I believe that the best days of my life were my school days. In school, in Mumbai, 1st to 10th standard is considered as a school life. The best days of my life were my school days. I had a big friend circle, and we used to have a lot of fun. We used to take part in sports and extracurricular activities. I was the head of my gang, and they used to listen to me. But finally, those golden days were ended, and I entered into the college to face a real-world competition. In India, every parent wants their kids to become either a doctor or an engineer. Even I always dreamed of becoming an engineer, but I did not know what are the different specializations and branches in the engineering. So my father called his colleague and asked him for his recommendation, since his daughter was also pursuing an engineering. So he said that electronics and telecommunication is a top branch of the engineering. And I found that name is very catchy, and I took an admission into the electronics and telecommunication branch of an engineering. After entering into this top branch of an engineering, I started to realize its beauty. I started to realize that the syllabus is double the syllabus as compared to the other branches. I started to realize that the question paper are the toughest compared to the other branches. And finally, after completing 8 semesters, passing 48 subjects, facing number of vivas, completing thousands of assignments and presentation, finally I become an EXCC engineer after 4 years. After my engineering, I got placed into one company through my college called as a KPIT Cummins, with a good compensation at the fresher level. But that company, KPIT Cummins, it was located in another city. So with a heavy heart, I left home for joining that company. With tears in my eyes, I left home. I joined that company, KPIT Cummins. Everything was nice. My work was nice. But I was feeling very homesick. I started applying for the jobs in my city. And after a few days, I joined Reliance Tech Services in my city, Mumbai. The thing about Reliance Tech Services is, the thing which I like the most about Reliance Tech Services is beautiful and huge campus, the lush greenery, glass building, sprinklers and fountains, and 8 food courts which are serving the variety of the food. In Reliance Tech Services, I got selected for the GIS department, and I did not know what the GIS is, and which scared me a little in the beginning, but I took this as a challenge, and I started focusing upon this new technology. I started discussing about this technology with my colleagues. I started reading documents and asking lots of questions to my mentor, and within a short period of time, I started contributing so well. I started handling the production level of work very confidently in Reliance. In Reliance, we had a friend group of the same age people, and in our group there was a person who was a little different from others, who was very intelligent and very intellectual, and still he was very down to earth, and his name is Smaran. Soon we became friends. Our friendship grew, and one day he proposed to me. I said yes, and it was a magical moment for both of us. We informed this to our parents. Our families met before Smaran left for MS to US. It was trying time for me since Smaran was in US and I was in India, but still we stayed connected and communicated regularly. And finally Smaran completed his MS, and our wedding date were fixed. We had a grand Indian wedding, Indian style Indian wedding on 24th of November 2013. The wedding took place in a resort. Our relatives and friends joined us for the joyous occasion. We were looking really good in our wedding dresses. It was like a marriage in heaven. After our wedding, we left for Maldives for our honeymoon. I think Maldives is a paradise on earth. You can see the deep blue sea, sparkling and crystal clear water. You can see the white sandy beach, palm trees, and you can see the fishes just swimming next to you in the warm water of the Indian Ocean. In Maldives, the water is so clean and clear that you can see the fishes which are swimming 50 feet away from you. So we did the deep sea diving, snorkeling, and a sort of water sports. And then we stayed over there for 7 days, and it was the memorable time. And finally we returned to India from Maldives, and then time come to leave my world, to leave my city, to go away from my family, friends and relatives. With a heavy heart, I bade adieu to my parents and family, and we came here to Redlands. We left for US. We came here in Redlands. In Redlands, I observed that the city is very peaceful city, and you won't see much people outside as compared to Mumbai. So when I see group of people over here outside, I get very excited. I like the surrounding mountains and orange orchids here. It's spectacular to see the orange trees which are full of oranges. And overall, the journey from Mumbai to Redlands was very amazing. And I'm looking forward to create more exciting and memorable memories in USA as well. Thank you.